मेरा नमस्कार. I am Dr. Neelam. Today I am going to discuss a very important topic of teaching of life sciences, which is importance of life sciences in school curriculum. What is the need of introducing life sciences in school curriculum up to the matriculation level? क्या आवश्यकता है? As we know, life sciences or simply the sciences, it plays a very important role in our life. सुबह से लेकर शाम तक हम जितनी भी चीज़ों के संपर्क में आते हैं, जितनी भी एप्लीकेशंस, गैजेट्स हम यूज करते हैं, all are the gifts of science. अगर बायोलॉजिकल साइंसेस की हम बात करें, जितने भी हमारे फूड प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, मेडिसिन्स हैं या दूसरे प्रोडक्ट्स जो फूड डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, सारी चीजें क्या है, बायोलॉजिकल साइंसेस के थ्रू जो है हम तक पहुंचती हैं. So it is very essential to have the knowledge of these basic sciences. इसकी इम्पोर्टेंस को ध्यान में रखते हुए कोठारी कमीशन, जो कि DS कोठारी जी ने 1964-66 में दिया था, उसके अकॉर्डिंग लाइफ साइंसेज it is, as it has very important role in our lives, that is why it has to be introduced in the school curriculum necessarily. So dear students, by having the knowledge of life sciences, biological sciences, we can know ourselves better, our daily requirements, our bodily parts, जितनी भी लाइफ रिलेटेड प्रोसेसेस हैं, अगर हमें बायोलॉजिकल साइंसेस का बेसिक नॉलेज है, देन हम इन चीज़ों को अच्छे से हैंडल कर सकते हैं. So let's move toward some justification, points of justification which justifies its importance to be a important subject in school curriculum. First one, it is related with the day-to-day life activities. Dear students, जैसे कि हम जानते हैं, जितने भी हमारी डेली रूटीन में हमें चीज़ों की आवश्यकता पड़ती है, फूड है, फॉडर है, मेडिसिन्स हैं, आप कॉस्मेटिक्स यूज करते हैं, जितनी भी चीजें हमारे लिए जरूरी हैं, वो सब हमें कहाँ से मिलती हैं? वो हमें बायोलॉजी एज अ प्रोडक्ट हमें प्रोवाइड करता है. दूसरा जो है वेरियस इंडस्ट्रीज, यूज इन वेरियस इंडस्ट्रीज, बायोलॉजिकल साइंसेज, जैसे कि हम जानते हैं, जैसे प्रोडक्शन ऑफ एंटीबायोटिक्स, प्रोडक्शन ऑफ विटामिन्स, प्रोडक्शन ऑफ केमिकल्स और प्रोडक्शन ऑफ various kinds of modified food. So if we have the knowledge of biology, then we can apply this knowledge in the production of these items. Thus as this biological sciences, life sciences has important role in these industries, that is why it has to be necessarily introduced in the schools. Third point, it is health and medicines. मेडिसिन्स, जैसे कि मैं आपको पहले भी कह रही हूँ, एंटीबायोटिक्स की बात की मैंने, विटामिन्स की वेरियस केमिकल्स जो कि रिक्वायर्ड होते हैं आपके प्लांट्स की ग्रोथ रेट को बढ़ाने के लिए, एनिमल्स की जो प्रोडक्शन, जो प्रोडक्टिव पावर होती है, उसको इंक्रीज करने के लिए, सारी चीज़ें जितनी भी हमारी हेल्थ से रिलेटेड हैं या जो जितने भी मेडिसिन से रिलेटेड जितनी भी चीज़ें हैं, वो हमें लाइफ साइंसेस का नॉलेज होगा, तभी हम ये सब जो है प्रोवाइड करवा सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन इज इम्प्रूविंग फूड रिसोर्सेज, यूजिंग इम्प्रूविंग फूड रिसोर्सेज. My dear students, as we know, today is the age of genetically modified crops, genetically modified foods. By the use of various chemicals, hormones, we can increase the genetic manipulation of plants as well as of animals. We can increase the growth rate of plants. We can increase even the process of photosynthesis by applying some kind of chemicals or hormones. We can improve or increase the dairy farming. So as it has its important use in improving food resources, Thus, it is very necessary to be introduced, to be have the basic knowledge of it. That is why it has to be introduced in the school curriculum. Next one is veterinary and animal husbandry. As I told you before, it has the same application. Next one is the pollution control. My dear students, if we are concerned with the basic knowledge of biology, then we can suggest some kind of techniques of biodegradation, some biogas generation from waste, sewage treatment by aerobic and anaerobic organisms. So अगर हम इन चीज़ों का अप्लाई करते हैं, अगर हमें इन चीज़ों का बेसिक नॉलेज है, then we can be a part of controlling, or we can say to reducing the pollution. Okay, next one, it is control in population explosion. Dear students, the knowledge of life sciences helps in inventing effective population control measures in terms of adequate family planning. When we are concerned with the processes of reproduction, etc., then we can be a part of controlling the population. Next one is for environment conservation. Dear students, up to the metric level, there are so many chapters which makes us aware about the biology, environment and environmental conservation. So, it should be necessarily an important part of our school curriculum. Now, one of the most important role which the biological sciences play in the life of student is that it imbibe various values among the students. How? If we see, first value which life sciences imbibe in the student is intellectual value. My dear students, intellectual value we can say just like thinking, reasoning, decision making skills. These if during the studies, when we study the biological sciences, we have to encounter various facts, various phenomena. We have to inculcate a spirit of inquiry. We have to present some kind of logic. That is why biological sciences is the kind of science which makes our intellect to work. That is why this subject has an intellectual value. Second one is the utilitarian value. My dear students, लाइफ साइंस जो बायोलॉजिकल साइंसेस हैं वो बच्चे के अंदर जो है यूटिलिटेरियन वैल्यू को भी इनकलकेट करते हैं बिकॉज बायोलॉजिकल साइंसेस मेक्स many more new things which became or which have some utility for us. That is why it imbibe utilitarian value. Third one is the vocational value. Life sciences, it has the vocational value because if anyone have the basic knowledge of biology, he can enter into many vocations which are based on the biological sciences, like the poultry farming, dairy farming, pharma-medical, micrology, teaching, even in the research. Next one is moral values. Moral values during the teaching of moral values like truth, beauty, and goodness. During the science experimentation, one has to be very honest, very sincere, or of the truthfulness. So the life sciences, it imbibe the moral values like truthfulness, honesty among the students. Next one is aesthetic value. Aesthetic, as this term means appreciation, sense of appreciation of beauty. So during the teaching, during the life sciences, The biology students have the capacity to appreciate the nature, have to appreciate the natural phenomena. जैसे कि बायोलॉजी में हमें वेरियस प्रोसेसेस, प्लांट्स के पार्ट्स को हम डिस्कस करते हैं, हम लाइफ साइकिल्स को डिस्कस करते हैं. देन स्टूडेंट्स दे आर एबल टू अप्रिशिएट हाउ दिस हैपन, हाउ ब्यूटिफुल इज दिस, कैन अप्रिशिएट द नेचर इन अ बेस्ट वे. नेक्स्ट वन इज द कल्चरल वैल्यू. My dear students, biological sciences, it plays an important role in the civilization of man. The study of science inculcates a scientific attitude in individuals which affects the way of thinking and way of living of people. The development of our society or culture wholly dependent on the scientific progress. Thus, science is an integral part of cultural treasure. Next one is the creative value. My dear students, during the study of biology or the life science, students has to learn new concept, new phenomena, new thing, identify new techniques, or perform some kind of innovative experiments. So this inculcate the creative value. Last one is the disciplinary value. जब हम एक्सपेरिमेंट्स कंडक्ट करते हैं, ये साइंसेस में आपने देखा होगा, जब भी हम एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन करते हैं या किसी प्रोजेक्ट को जब हम कंडक्ट करते हैं, देन वी हैव टू शो मेंटल और फिजिकल डिसिप्लिन, problem solving, you have to make some kind of decisions, then you have to show your patience, so many kind of disciplinary values you have to show during the experimentation. So my dear students, these are some facts which shows its importance, biological sciences to be introduced as an important part of the curriculum. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.